It is a competition that they take a test on how well they've done, either in Microsoft Word, Excel, etc. Well, I could just say, on behalf of Mineral County, we've never had a world winner in anything. So it's kind of like the Olympics. It's kind of like the Microsoft Olympics is what it's like. So Celia's put us on the map. For a young lady who is a 9th grader, so she's very young to have done this. It's phenomenal. It puts Mineral County, and I think it puts West Virginia on the map for these kind of things.
Obviously, it's very exciting because we know we have awesome students here. For other people to see that as well, and it is, gives them lots of opportunities that they wouldn't have had otherwise. And for Megan and Celia both, we're proud of them, but it's also a way for them to see why we're so proud of them.
It's really weird to represent the whole school because you don't think that you're that big, and then you get to this huge competition. And I remember when it was announced over the intercom that I won, my whole class just started screaming. They were so excited because they knew I'd done it before. We hadn't known each other at all before this. So we met in the hotel lobby, and we've gotten really close. And we were so nervous to hear all the names we called. And when Celia won, I was just so excited because I wanted her to win really bad. And she was all happy. And then as soon as it was over, I remember I ran and I gave her a hug and everything.
It means the world to me. Whenever I was at nationals, I knew Megan. She was amazing. She also went down with me for Excel. For Worlds, I felt a lot of pressure because I was like, well, I really need to represent here. I'm representing the entire country and my hometown and the state and my school. And so it was a lot more pressure, but I still figured that I could do it. And so I put my mind in the set that I probably wasn't going to win, but I still could succeed in it. So that was also a nice surprise. Whenever you see a door, even if it's cracked open, you gotta go through it. Because I never knew that I would actually be here doing this until I did it. So take your opportunities and use them. Opportunities can also be very rare, so I want kids to make their own, so that way they are able to have their opportunities themselves.